Have you ever thought your car could outlast a mortgage payment without needing an engine overhaul? It sounds unbelievable, but it's entirely possible. An ordinary sedan, not a supercar, can still run like new after 700,000 miles with simple habits most people overlook. The best part? Many of these cost less than a tank of gas but determine your engine's lifespan and performance. The problem is, most drivers don't know or don't care until their car breaks down too fast. Want to know which habits are silently killing your car and the secrets to making it nearly immortal? Like and subscribe if this video helps you. 10 golden habits to push your car past 700,000 miles. 1. Smart starting. Many drivers believe idling for 5 to 10 minutes in the morning is the best way to warm up the engine. But this habit is quietly causing harm. When idling in cold conditions, fuel burns incompletely, oil thins out, and carbon deposits build up on cylinder walls. This accelerates engine wear, increases fuel consumption, and risks long-term clogging from debris. Smart starting doesn't mean idling too long. It means controlled operation. Let the engine run for 30 to 60 seconds to circulate oil, then drive gently, keeping the throttle steady and avoiding sudden acceleration until the temperature gauge stabilizes. This evenly warms all mechanical parts, maximizes oil effectiveness, and reduces risks like cracked gaskets, damaged pistons, or worn rings. Simple but impactful, smart starting is key to maintaining engine power and exceptional durability. Your car doesn't need to sit and warm up. It needs proper movement to start the day safely and efficiently. 2. Change oil before the warning. Most drivers wait for the oil change light to act, but by then, the oil has already lost its protective power. Oil is the blood of your car. When clean and viscous, it ensures smooth operation, reduces friction, and flushes out debris. But after a few thousand miles, especially in short trips, traffic, or extreme heat, oil degrades, thins, and leaves harmful deposits. Changing oil earlier than recommended, like every 4,000 miles for synthetic oil, isn't wasteful. It's an investment to avoid major damage. One oil change costs less than a tank of gas, but can save thousands in repairs, from worn pistons and burnt rings to a ruined camshaft. For certainty, spend a few bucks on an oil analysis to know exactly how long your oil lasts. This proactive approach is the secret to exceptionally durable engines. Don't wait for the red warning light. That's already too late. A little early care keeps your car healthy, running smoothly, and ready for the long haul. 3. Check tire pressure weekly. Many think tire pressure only needs checking at maintenance visits, but this small habit can make or break your car's lifespan. Underinflated tires increase fuel use due to higher friction and stress the suspension, driveline, and even transmission. Overinflated tires reduce road grip, making braking less safe. These issues slowly wear down your car without you noticing. With a digital tire gauge costing just a few bucks, you can check pressure at home weekly, ideally in the morning when tires are cool. The correct pressure is listed on the driver's door or in the owner's manual. Use that as your guide. Don't trust gas station pumps. Their gauges are often inaccurate. This habit takes minutes a week, but delivers peace of mind on every road. Stable handling, precise braking, longer-lasting suspension, and better fuel efficiency. Most importantly, it reduces the risk of a blowout, one of the most dangerous issues at high speeds. A single pressure check might not feel like much, but doing it consistently will surprise you with a more durable, efficient car. Comment number 1 and like this video, and I'll reveal something even more shocking. 4. Change all fluids. Many drivers are diligent about engine oil changes, but overlook the other lifeblood of their car: transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, and power steering fluid. This is a mistake that causes early wear, even if the engine remains strong. Each fluid plays a critical role: lubricating, transferring power, cooling, or preventing corrosion. When they age, lose viscosity, or get contaminated, the consequences go beyond a worse driving feel. You risk transmission failure, ineffective brakes, burnt gaskets, or a cracked radiator. A well-cared-for car doesn't wait for problems to change fluids. A good schedule is every 18,000, 24,000 miles for transmission fluid, every 2 years for brake fluid, every 3 years for coolant, and every 12,000, 18,000 miles for power steering fluid. It may sound like a lot, but routine maintenance costs far less than repairing a failed transmission or brake system. Draining and replacing all fluids is like giving your car a fresh blood transfusion. It runs smoother, responds sharper, and extends component life noticeably. Don't let neglect turn a few bucks worth of fluid into thousands in repairs. Changing all fluids on time is a quiet but sure investment in your car's durability and safety on every journey. 5. Clean the MAF sensor. Among hundreds of car parts, few realize a tiny component like the MAF, mass airflow, sensor can dictate engine health. The MAF is the eyes of the intake system, feeding data to the ECU to calculate the precise fuel needed for combustion. Over time, dust, oil, and debris coat the sensor's surface. This sends faulty signals, throwing off the air-fuel mix, causing sluggish performance, worse fuel economy, and even triggering the check engine light. This is easily preventable. Every 9,000, 12,000 miles, spend 10 minutes removing the sensor and cleaning it with a dedicated MAF cleaner, not regular household chemicals. The cost is just a few dollars, but the benefits are immediate. Smoother acceleration, sharper throttle response, stable idle, and better fuel efficiency. Experts agree a dirty MAF sensor quietly wastes fuel and shortens engine life. A simple cleaning habit prevents a host of avoidable issues. Think of the MAF as the engine's lungs. Keep it clean, and your car breathes easier, runs stronger, and saves more on every mile. 6. Don't ignore strange noises. A healthy car runs with familiar, steady sounds. Any unusual noise, whether a faint tick at startup, a squeak when steering, or a thunk from underneath, is a warning you shouldn't ignore. Yet many drivers crank up the radio to drown it out, thinking, "It's probably fine." In reality, these sounds are like a fever in your body, small signs that, if ignored, can lead to a serious illness costing you dearly. A squeal might signal a slipping belt. A rhythmic clatter could mean worn bearings or suspension issues. A tapping during acceleration might indicate misfiring or valve wear. Caught early, fixes might cost a few bucks to a couple hundred. Ignored, they can balloon tenfold, even destroying the engine. The smart habit is to listen to your car, note or record unusual sounds, describe when they happen, accelerating, braking, or turning, and share this with your mechanic. These details help them diagnose and fix issues quickly. Cars don't die silently. They signal first. The question is whether you're listening. 7. Always use genuine or high-quality parts. A car is like a living body. Every part connects to ensure smooth operation. A single weak component can endanger the whole system. Yet many drivers choose save now, pay later by opting for cheap parts. A low-quality ignition coil, substandard brake pads, or sketchy aftermarket sensors can cause widespread damage and even compromise safety on the road. The difference between genuine and knockoff parts isn't just the name or packaging. OEM standard parts are made with high-quality materials, precise engineering, and rigorous testing for perfect compatibility. Cheap parts often skip these standards, wear out fast, and cause unpredictable failures. Countless cases show cars breaking down due to saving a few bucks on parts. Treat high-quality parts as insurance for your engine and safety. Trusted brands like Bosch, Denso, NGK, or OEM parts from the manufacturer offer lasting peace of mind. You're not just replacing a part, you're preserving the harmony of the entire machine. A weak link can ruin the chain, and for your car, that means thousands in lost value. If this info helps, comment number 1 to let me know. 8. Replace belts and hoses before they fail. In the engine bay, Rubber components like belts and hoses may seem simple but play critical roles. The serpentine belt, timing belt, coolant hoses, and vacuum hoses endure high heat, pressure, and constant environmental changes. Over time, they harden, crack, and can snap unexpectedly, leading to disaster. A broken serpentine belt kills power steering, the water pump, and AC. A cracked coolant hose can overheat the engine in minutes, burning gaskets or cracking the engine block. Many drivers wait for visible signs of failure, but by the time cracks are noticeable, the safe lifespan is long gone. The secret to a durable car isn't fix when broken, but proactive replacement. Check belts at every oil change, listen for squealing at startup, or look for fraying or wear. For hoses, don't just inspect visually. Squeeze them to check for hardness or swelling, clear warning signs. Replacing early may feel costly, but it's nothing compared to an engine overhaul. A belt or hose costing a few bucks can save thousands and keep you safe on the road. Being proactive is key. Like sunscreen, you don't see immediate benefits, but over time, it keeps your car strong and reliable. 9. Stick with a trusted mechanic. A car isn't just steel and machinery, it's a companion for years. To keep it reliable, a trusted mechanic is invaluable. Many drivers shop around garages for better prices, but switching mechanics means losing a continuous maintenance history. A new mechanic only sees the surface, missing past repairs, noted noises, or gradual wear patterns. A long-term trusted mechanic knows your car's personality. They recall every oil change, replaced part, or odd sound worth monitoring. This familiarity helps them spot issues early, often missed by others. Plus, a reliable relationship ensures they won't push unnecessary repairs or overcharge. You might save a few bucks at a cheaper shop, but a wrong diagnosis or subpar parts could cost thousands. A steady mechanic is like a family doctor for your car. Understanding and trust lead to safer, more cost-effective driving. 10. Keep the car clean inside and out. Many think washing a car is just for looks, but it's a protective insurance for longevity. Dirt, road salt, metal dust, or chemicals cling to the undercarriage, body, and engine bay, silently corroding paint, rusting the frame, and degrading wires or rubber. A few years of neglect can lead to faded paint, cracked seals, or a rusted-through chassis, expensive damage. The interior matters too. A clogged cabin air filter overworks the HVAC system. UV rays crack dashboards and seats, and moldy floor mats create odors and health issues. A clean cabin improves comfort and maintains performance. Simple habits like pressure washing the undercarriage bi-weekly, cleaning the engine bay monthly, replacing the cabin filter, and vacuuming regularly make a huge difference over time. A clean car helps you spot leaks, cracked belts, or wear early. Plus, a well-maintained car holds higher resale value. Bonus: keep detailed records. Many drivers rely on memory for oil changes, tire replacements, or recent repairs. But human memory fades, and cars don't forgive. Logging everything, mileage at oil changes, tire check dates, air filter cleanings, or repair costs, is your car's health journal. Clear records make decisions precise. You'll know when oil degrades, when a battery tends to weaken, or if tires wear unevenly. This prevents issues from becoming disasters. Apps like Carfax, CarCare, or a simple Excel sheet create a reliable tracking system. Records also boost resale value, acting as a passport, proving proper care. Buyers pay more for a transparently maintained car. Even mechanics benefit, pinpointing issues faster with your notes instead of guessing. A few minutes of logging after each service can save thousands and add years to your car's life. Don't treat it as optional. It's a vital part of your journey with your car. Your car isn't just transportation, it's an asset and companion. Extending its life doesn't come from luck, but from small, disciplined habits. Timely oil changes, regular tire checks, listening for odd noises, using quality parts, and cleaning proactively. Each action is a long-term investment, keeping the engine smooth, safe, and cost-effective. Remember, a car's durability depends on your daily care. The more you value it, the more it rewards you.